Alright everyone, now for my guest room tour, I'm going to let you know where I actually got each item from. Now the two mirrors here, they actually came from Roses probably 7 or 8 years ago. And I bought them and they were $29.99. The mirror here on the bottom is actually a DIY that I made. The 3-piece candle holder set, that's a DIY that I created on a Lazy Susan, and that's a DIY. My lamps actually came from Roses on both sides of the bed, and they were $29.99. The two mirrors that's above the lamp, they actually came from Home Depot, and they were $39.99 each. You know, the mantle was a thrifted find that I found that I repurposed. The two silver vases up the top, those two taller vases are actually Roses finds that were $19.99 a piece. The two silver and white vases, they actually came from Family Dollar. They were $10 a piece. They were green and I painted them silver and white. The vase in the center, that is actually a thrifted find for $5.99 from my local St. Michael's Christian thrift store. And I have my silver and white picks. The big mirror you see back there, that is actually a mirror that I purchased from Family Dollar probably about 6 or 7 years ago, and it was $19.99. The sconces on the side of the window here, they're actually from Roses, and the 2-piece in a set was actually $16.99. You know, my sequence curtains are Amazon finds, and they were $25.99. The white shears came from Amazon as well, and they were $7.99 each. And each curtain you have to purchase this panel, each panel. So that was $7.99. Also, my white bedding came from Amazon as well, and it was $69.99. My baby blue, or slate blue is what I call it, fuzzy throw, came from Walmart, and it was $59.99. I have two of my pillow shams that actually came with the bed, and then I have two white silk pillows. Those pillowcases actually came from Roses for $7.99. The two white pillows on the front, those are actual pillow covers, and those two pillow covers actually came from Family Dollar. That fluffy pillow in the middle came from Walmart, and it was $14.99. You also know that my two lanterns came from Walmart, and I DIY'd them. They were black, and I made them white, and they were $17.99 a piece. That vase, those are my Mariah Carey vases that I DIY'd. I'm dropping that link. Also, my decor boxes are DIY, so I'll drop that link as well. This vase is actually the set that goes to the other one, and I still paid $4.99 for this one as well with my picks. The two pieces on the ends are DIYs of mine that you'll be seeing on Tuesday. The shelf was actually just a regular standard Walmart bookshelf that was $49.99. I spray painted it white. And to everyone, I like to mount my TVs. That mount you can get, and I'm going to drop the link for it. It actually came from Walmart, the own version, and it was actually $22.99. Then here we have those two slate blue pictures that I DIY'd. It's creation of mine, and you do remember this is my guest room, and I actually did the walls with that taupe contact paper all around, and my focal wall and my access wall, I did it with that contact paper, and it is that gold and white marble. this is everything that I do have in the room. Be on the lookout, because this is actually my spring look. And spoiler alert, you're going to be seeing something similar to this throughout. So just be on the lookout. And you'll be getting a home decor or home decor related stuff every Sunday. And it should be 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is that guest room. And this is my spring 2021 room tour. When I do the home tour, I think I will add in just two of the slate blue pillows. And I ordered candles from Amazon that you'll get to see for the full home tour, that they're actually still out of stock, scheduled to be back in stock on February the 26th. But that's it, everyone. Oh, too, on my bed here, the tray. I've had the tray for quite a while, and I think the tray actually came from Ross, probably maybe 7-8 years ago. Candlesticks actually came from Ross. Now the tray, when I bought it, was actually $29.99. The 3-piece candle set was $29.99. And my eucalyptus vase here, the vase came from Dollar General for $4. I have 9 eucalyptus picks in there from the Dollar Tree. That was $1 a piece. Alright, that completes my spring room tour. I hope it gave you some inspiration. And yes, for spring, I am doing silver and white with splashes of slate blue. Just tiny splashes here in my guest room.